TV so Adom TV so bedwan dwumadi so dia o kan si on sempa esa kana no pen so ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace akudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunyana me kono kwanten kodin sma do ensa kana no pen so e wo Ghana akudie eja hye no sma mse nyuma kunie mensa omadama wo na bom ska dwete men no pen so ye den common 18 abrew one expert have always told you that betting there is better than sakawa utwan before din before utwan kuma bi adin kuma sa no manum ka che abusuafo na fofo yere o ma ofasefo na mukrumu ene mpnafo nyina so bia mfa na ho nyim abusia bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yere anya ya no eno ane ditwa bet na mo hwemu a abusia de japade bisa asase agyaw wes na mesika obia mfa nya hwe wetin tebida koton fani na ko guso de keto akwaje kese no 1x bet ho adanse no ni mu firi nwotwe a eya emfa ho enjim esanse bet diwa oni betia pruso adwene betia hye witiri betia sabom tiana wa bet with money that you can afford to lose ye kano na je fast message do tafwi infections te do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis why fit na so deep one achiwa unya je fast no so betia boa prapra hrawa na mo bom otimi di nchine che sanso na ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mo a onsabetia ka je fast message wetia to be abobo na boa emopomodon sem so agina pintin warade anim eno pa ho a sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel you can do back a few pampas be pemonase etu yawdi acid fiwa sedimo gel and roll on okwa shama me market on sabetia kapsuja fone nam hode ba still edro no bi e ho sanso na tema eno so sabetia kabi no ato na wabobo na boa emaniema etia kwedi ma do ni din e de sedimo gel and roll on se wutu bi akoton ana se woto no de ye ho no obetia from 0208219129 na one sedimo gel and roll on from paying for yenhwetwen komo yenhwe moa emaniema 822 infama omadama wo na etachiri abo ma na no penso ye den komo no etwi agyaw hye no so mam se o Facebook a like na wa share na afi ma comment no etwi asa komo emepe begebre na sembolite ofia makenkan na afi hwese na ne mabesi akọ e won hyehya wodo no so etwi pim no. The national under-23 team, the Black Meteors of Ghana, the Ghana Olympic team, no, one more any Algerian counterparts, and their case in a bobo na enya semwa ewo Kumasi Baba Era Sports Stadium, Nipa Pipian Kumifi, Chichini Benche, Kotechino, na enya sem Kuma Kra. But glory be to God, say, the end of the 90 minutes of soccer fiesta, no, nature say, Ghana, Black Meteors, Achi, Algeria, Fortune, Kabako, na Ishaku. Adama, on one sample so at an Edema Ghana, I was Sakins, Kessia, and also 8 me Esanto film. Na hwesena nema esikoye Kumasi enra.
Falls down, appeals for the penalty. Referee will not have anything to do with that.
It's a good call from Hassan Zina Kone. Shaku just trying to
picked up nicely by the captain. Fires, and this time they come through the left. That's a careful run, and it's a very strong run there. Vital through the middle. Ashi Ishaku rockets the crossbar. Good turn once again, and Myanmar has the speed. He goes round his marker very intelligently. Now he's got space. 18-yard ball cross. Shot. That is the first goal. Ishaku. Right place, right time. Not it on.
Two combined to score that goal in Algeria, but then again, Myanmar with a lovely chip. Guess who is connecting that ball? It's Fatau Ishaku. 2 goals in 2 games. Super build-up, lovely chip up front, hangs the ball in the sky, and Fatau Ishaku will connect home with the header. It's been super goal. Outstanding finish.
It's almost 13 minutes gone, and a free Banye finds Ishaku back to a free Banye. It could easily have been goal number advantage to Ghana.
Yeah, the Algerians have been rattled. Again, 1-2 quick pass between
Ghana to take Opoku Safo. Aku picks up the pieces, goes through the middle, lays on the pass. It's Banye against the goalkeeper now. Try to square one across the face of goal.
Is a free Banye, and here he should be going for goal. He's trying to tee it up Danlad, but again the cross from Mohamed Bakir. And the header from Stan.
Accra good Olympics player. Samari will leave it. Ishaku once again, and the rebound. Oh, Banye. Side. That's Myanmar. He's done a lot of running. Gets the better of the marker. It's Myanmar. He checks in. Oh! Cannons of the body of a player.
What a pass from Dominic Isobila. And it's Myanmar racing down the left flank and did very well. He's showing that pace and that intelligence. Yeah, he turns away and set it up for a free Barnier, and Barnier hits it and what?
Fatawi Shahaku sets up the pass. Emmanuel Yeboah, the dangling legs of his will get him to the ball without a doubt.
Enti nese ni PM ewo Ghana Kensi ani ogia for the times under 23 version no ana ohwese na Messi koso ede nkomo kakra twense jaw. Chendo so mam say Ghana ya qualify for a African Cup of Nations under 23. Sa Kensi kesi na beba so Morocco between June 24th and kopim July 8th. And as said within ebeba so 2023 year mu na sa Kensi kesi ni Kensi ba kwa Ghana akantama di nsie nyame adoma e betini akokire bobre odwumedia no so 18 PM no. Coach Ibrahim Tanku and them Nanteno, etimi qualify for this crucial encounter no now for 20 solid years. Uhuma nese Ghana since Yusuf Alassane Chipsa and a captain Stephen Apiamo momutimi coach Mbobreje bronze no Olympic Games no timi sampa Ghana nyamoma edin ede amaiba coach qualify after a long while.
He qualifies in a so we 1-1, baby, 0-0. The most important thing is to qualify. In January,
na me san hwade ba ko ese nkran kwa de em say 5% of nkofo atinkan no say hypertension inti e be hye 1 na e be 30 hooks so akopem 90 minutes no onya ye say we relieve from this hypertension.
Oh, the sure me say the sure match ni bia who chances are say no at least you know hanka we say share 3 or 4 goals but one na yanya they qualify no okay but they be working say the next time no they make use of our chances.
In terms of planner we the call game we no despite the fact say Madi Nkunim no we are satisfied with output no.
Oh yeah, let me say compared to away match, you know, 2 changes. The friend is Samari by energy as we are because definitely able home they will say more offensive minded. And you know at least okay.
Your belly less than 3 months as the Morocco. Obey additions meaning subtractions be.
Oh yeah, sure. I mean, from now to 3 months, you know, there are a lot of things that now happen. Some players they're about in form. Some of them, you know, so they lose form. And you know, definitely, you know, they share almost all the leagues, you know, outside in Ghana. Now, you know, the time and also.
And see, Coach Ibrahim Tanku, former Kemfasa Babies player, former German Air player. After so kwano we see a kind of the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana and after coach former Cameroon as our assistant coach Edema Cameroon national team no and Osambe assistant coach 1 Edema the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana currently okay team friends say Accra Lions the second on the league table our team sampa coach no the bono ekwa nim ye pans ni nem no national under 23 and I'm paying for ede amane say onhwemwa emaniema enkuye enfamom. Communications director of the Ghana Football Association Henry Asante Chum ono any the only practical English commentator in Ghana but anyway just said you to say obe represented one company which is the GFA or say under 23 team way or more squad and watch out.
Yeah, the Ghana first team on ball. This week has been hectic to have 2 of your top level national teams in action. And I know you the Black Stars you can and then the following day Meteors Esiakan or Algeria almost draw. And then Enra Black Stars can be Kotie. If you play one, we move in where say Yabakumasi. The Fata. I need to qualify for the 2023 U23 Africa Cup of Nations. I think the long-term target is to qualify for the Olympic Games. Bibia, actually since 2004. Na many chiefs are Kasalam Bizan the chiefs. Into one of your last captain Odi Eco Olympic Games. Again na waya and into through you know captain bien to me from Enfayenko. Michael Hellegbe try ayeyi 2008. 2012 you try ayeyi. 2016 you try ayeyi. 2020 you try ayeyi. Again kwana what the year 2004. So free time yin to me Kobium. Well, at the end of the day, I think say a number of reasons and I attributed to our failure in the last 4 editions of our inability to qualify for the Olympic Games. But it's a good chance. I think we have a very good squad. Luckily, we will have the tournament in a very good year. And Prof, Adebakuri said if we are able to get all our U23 players who are still available, from Kudus to Kamaldeen to Abdul Salis, Felix Afenaja, and all the players.
And Henry Asante Chum, communications director for the Ghana Football Association at Tenekase, Wode Nkomo Asia for National Under 23, the Black Meteors of Ghana, and Omo victory Omudie over more Nigerian counterparts, and also Eddie Akuguno. Chenosumam says, I Jumedi Omudi and among qualification, a last header, Nasa last header, mom, Quincy, Omoko Afcon, a best be upon their mom, now Olympic Games, and so the money 8 years at Chester. Last time Ghana, a copium, a try say beating Olympic Games, was in 2019, Lusu on penalties to Ivory Coast for a was semi-final. I was last under 20 Afcon 20 PM. Now last time so you could be receive a last and Chester 2004, 20 solid years near Ghana Copium Olympic Games, but busy Sabrino, Yama Nkoye and Farmer in Him say this time a bit week 24 of the Ghana Premier League and also 8 years out was be United any teams species as kind. Now if you can find some Carrera Diaboso, Samates, any Kutukurias and Subishes a Canafi Mediema. Any Gold Stars at the Bebo any na for Chelsea any Adriana Stars and so at the Aboso Tamale City any Instratamine Ebebo na fe so Accra has of phobia never say die ashedu ketekna na nyankon tomananteno womo any Accra Lions and Kranjata coach Ibrahim Tanko Timia ana eni ombebo a late kick off into Nyame Adom anunsia asempa 94.7 FM e the live comment no and so ebetua sabrel e the fasa midweek game ya and so ebetua sat of FM other results no and reports in besa atwaso e the abrel ba so say Thursday matches no atwaso Legon City and Kumase Asante ko wapam the coach no ana ebehyesia kanafe atiu and Accra Great Olympics and so e the aboso e wo mdwumadia wo so egusu edinim we so na megina na me de maso dan bisi wa wekensi no ebetimi asi hye so mam say 1xbet omotachi sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel so boy chidom na fi fast mixture and so tare chidi den pa boy ema yeden komo no 8 years ba me the Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wala Sagudi catch back up. The act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.